Don't attach yourself to these things, because if you do, you're going to get sick. Certain people for certain jobs. And this is how it is. But in the end, whatever Allah gives you and opens opportunities in life for you, always know for sure that your obligations should not be neglected. You're a worker, you are a waiter, you are a surgeon, you are a president, you are whoever you are, a minister, a teacher. Obligations are all equal to everyone. Then comes on top of that the obligations of your job, that you have to be fair in it, and you have to be just in it, and you have to be honest, and all that stuff. And don't attach yourself to these things. Allah will give it to you, tomorrow maybe it will go. Maybe it will increase, maybe it will decrease, maybe whatever it is. Don't attach yourself to these things, because if you do, you're going to get sick. You'll get sick in the heart, sick in the brain. You'll be obsessed, you'll be always worried, you'll be always thinking, you don't take care of yourself, you know what I mean? So this is not a healthy life. The more you detach from the dunya, the more you will feel content and kind of in a safe mindset.